doing kind of a funny sit right now. Did she sit like that?
Yes. Yeah. Donnie, no kitties.
Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Dot, come.
Good girl. Get her to do one and then reward. Good girl. Nice job, baby goose.
Good girl.
All right. So it looks to me like she's a little bit like slick in that motion on your part
Yes.
tends to distract her and send her out and whatever else. So this is what we want to work on. Okay. Big wide open circle.
Yes.
Okay. I want you to do some of that. It's not so much the wide circle. It's not like she's shooting off in the same way. But we really want this exercise to start with it being very easy for her. Yeah. Right? She just takes what's in front of her. Okay? And then we're going to start saying, then it's coming in. Okay, do it again. Okay? Lovely, and reward this dog. Good girl. Good girl. Lovely. I forget, Donna? Donna. Okay, guys, I love that Donna rewarded when she did. It was a nice reward, okay? And you cued your dog to come in, okay? Which is good, because she did. But you rewarded like this, right? Now, I want, well, yes, right? I want to see these dogs coming into heel, right? Come into heel, suck your butt in, okay? And so, you know, if you had turned and had her come in here, whatever else, I want them learning, right? Like now, I want you, that's right, and I would rather you have her do it. See, you're helping her. She wants to face you. She wants to face. Will she play with me? You don't know. Let me see. Dottie? When I'm working with this with them, right, what I actually do with my dogs, so what Donna just did is what most people do, right? So when I was telling her you want your dog in heel, Donna very nicely moved her body to put her dog into heel, right? What did Dot do? Nothing, and then moved away, right?
I'm having a really hard time with that.
Okay.
Get her not to.
Look at.
Good. All right. Well, do you want to work on this for 2 seconds? Sure. So the other, do you have the circle stuff? Yep. All right. So let me grab. I know they used to have a stand.